I'm at my fasting. That's why I.
Okay. Oh, now it like fasting time, right? What time it will like end?
By 6:40.
Oh, like
Around
that.
6:40,
Okay.
6:37. That's the time.
Okay, fine, right. Okay, so Ferin, tell me you're from which place?
I'm from Kollam, Kerala.
Okay, all right. Are you working currently?
No, I was recently working as online facilitator, mathematics facilitator in an Abu Dhabi-based institution, and just ended in this February. February last it ended. So now it's done.
Okay. Any particular reason for leaving the institution?
No. The contract for that year was done. It
Done.
was a
Okay,
1 year
all right.
contract.
Okay. So basically, it was an online form, right? Or you used to take
Yeah,
offline?
I was no, I was based in UAE. I was in Abu Dhabi. Then, due to some personal reasons, I had to be here in my hometown. So I took it
Okay.
as online. I was doing offline there. Then I switched to online.
Okay, all right, fine. Okay, so Ferin, could you please just introduce yourself, mentioning about your family, your hobbies, anything?
Yeah, sure. Should I repeat my professional details or just?
Like you can just add something about your family or maybe your hobbies.
Oh, yeah, sure. As you all know, my name is Farhan. I'm based in Kollam only. I'm BSc B.Ed graduate in mathematics only. And all my schoolings, my college, and all were in my native place only. I got at my final year of my college, my BSc, I got married to my classmate only. I got married, and at that time itself, I got married. He's just 5 kilometers away. I got a child. She's 4 years old now.
Okay.
Then I continued my studies and I was doing my B.Ed after that, after my marriage. Then, long before that, I started my career as a teacher, as maths teacher. I was working in an institution in a part-time manner, and then immediately after my studies, my B.Ed, the very next day I got into my job as maths teacher. The very next day, as I completed,
Okay.
I think September 16th, I completed my B.Ed. September 18th, I got into my job. Then I was only able to do my work there for 2 months only. Then I got
Okay,
a
is that the
visa.
same that you told me?
No. I went to UAE. I got my visas and then I
Okay.
went to UAE. For 1 year, I was
Oh,
there.
all
I
right,
was
all right.
Then I was taking there as an online mathematics facilitator. Plus, I was a preschool assistant teacher.
All right, that's great to know, Ferin. Okay, so basically you is in max, right? Your primary subject is in max, right? So let me
Yes.
ask you one question, okay, Ferin? So normally max is considered to be very okay. Is there any background noise? Is it?
No. Actually, I
Is
got
there any
stuck.
background?
No. It's got stuck in between. That's right.
Okay, my voice is clear to you, right? Okay. Okay, so I was just telling you that, no, like there is a common ideology that maths is pretty difficult, or basically it's like an horror to all the students, right? So, what is your opinion on this? Do you think so that is really maths a difficult subject, or it's just the perception that maths is very difficult? What do you think about it?
Maths as a subject, we know there are many formulas, many equations to be
Hmm.
remembered, so many things to be done. But for me, from my personal opinion, till 8th standard, I was also very back in mathematics. But one of my teacher came in, and then she was the one who helped me excel in mathematics, and then I got very high marks. So it is
Okay.
based on sometimes it is based on the child's mind, that it is already inbuilt in the child's mind that it is very difficult. For me, it was
Mm-hmm.
so, but then my teacher came in and then she is the one who changed my mind. She
Okay,
gave me
okay.
the way to excel in mathematics, to how to change the mentality around, and then only I came up. Yeah, of course, math is